Here's a Underwood Model 3 typewriter made in the 1920s, I think. It has the red-black ribbon. It's in pretty good condition, except that up here something nasty happened to it. I don't know what, but it's really nasty. And over here it's also really scratched. It's really shiny. There's the side. There you got your ribbon wheel, and to reverse the ribbon directions, you push that engages the gears down there, switching the direction. And let's look at the back. The back is in really good condition. We got 6 tabs, and the patent dates are really nicely preserved. It's just in really good condition. You got the mechanism. If anybody knows what this little switch here does, could they let me know? Because I'm not sure what it does. It doesn't look like it does much though. Like on my Wagner typewriters, they have a switch similar to this that I don't know what it does. It has the older style mainspring drum where you have to twist it here instead of like cranking it with the little arm lever thing. Here's the other side. The nickel's in okay condition. It's a bit rough. The belt's a bit rough also. It also has the older style, whatever this piece is called, because the newer style. The older ones were closed and this has holes in it. You can also tell this is a later one versus a earlier one by right here. On a later one, this would be completely flat, but right here it has a little curvature to it. And also up here on the carriage, this will be perfectly flat. This has a little curvature to it also, so that does say it's a later typewriter. I don't know if it was used in the military or something, but they changed the key here. It just has the question mark and the cent symbol. Here's the type basket. Let's get a typing sample of this thing. Right now it's in stencil. Gotta flip that over, that puts it into black. Got red, let's put it into black and try it. Gotta slide the carriage over. Let's try red. And also the earlier ones, they didn't have the little like roller wheel things here, because if you look, those just roll with the carriage as it lifts up and down. The platinum's pretty hard and just dried out on it. The feed rollers are pretty nasty on it. It has plastic platen knobs versus, like, I think the older ones had like Bakelite ones. Here's number 3 Underwood standard typewriter, 14-inch carriage. Here's the margin release. And so, that's the video, and make sure to subscribe.